Hi boys and girls, it's Gwen, and today we are going to be doing lesson 5.4. It says, Aaron has 11 books. I borrow 4 books. How many books does Aaron have now? And for this problem, I'm going to be using something very special. Shh, don't tell my brother. I stole them from him.
Did you steal Blake's little tiny plastic babies?
Yep. Okay, let's count at 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let's put these away. Okay, so now that I have all the 11 babies or books, now I'm going to take away 4 because I borrowed 4. So 1.
You actually borrowed 4, or that's what the question says?
That's what the question says.
Oh, okay.
2, 3, 4. And then it says, how many do you have left? Well, when I count these
Why
out...
did you take away 4, though? I don't understand.
I took away 4 of these because it said right here that I borrow 4 of them. And
Oh, so when you borrow 4, you're taking 4 away from Aaron.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's count how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books left. Okay, so let's write that right here. So we had 11 and we subtracted 4 and that equaled 7.
So boys and girls, that's what you would write on this top problem right here in your book for lesson 5.4. You would write this problem that Gwen just wrote here. But then the problem goes on to say that that you gave the 4 books back to Aaron. So now you're going to add them back in. So let's wait a second before you add them back in, Gwen. How many do you have right now? How many books does Aaron have right now? Because she gave 4 away.
Right now, Aaron has 7 books.
Okay, so we should write that on our problem right here. 7 books.
And we're going to put a plus sign because they said it's addition.
Oh, because you're giving the books back to Aaron.
Yeah.
You're adding them back in. Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to add back our 4. So let's put a 4 right here. Okay, let's see how many we have. So we already know we have 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that equals 11. So now Aaron has all of her books back.
But you know who doesn't have anything back is Blake, because you stole his little tiny plastic babies.
Shh, don't tell him.
But one thing I noticed, boys and girls, is that when you're looking at this problem, it reminds me of the problem that Gwen did in the last lesson, where it's the double switcheroo, because the big number goes to the end and the small number goes to the other end. If you look right here, we have 11 and it moves to the end. Okay, and right here we have 7 in the front and this moves to the end. And the middle number stayed the same. And we switched the sign from negative to positive. It's a fact family and it's the double switcheroo.
The babies want to say something.
What do the babies want to say?
He said, bye, boys and girls.
Oh, that's nice.